Welcome to JR Quasar YouTube channel. Hi. And hello everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. In this video, we will know about the surprising and unknown facts of periodic table. Okay, well. So, let's go into the video. First of all, you know why they call it the periodic table? It's because the rows are called periods. That's why it's called as periodic table. And the dreaded periodic table on your classroom wall is actually a giant cheat sheet. Dmitry Mendeleev is the inventor of the modern periodic table. Dmitry Mendeleev, the creator of the table, was late in submitting his work on all 63 elements. Dmitry Mendeleev presented his periodic table of the elements based on increasing atomic weight on March 6, 1869, at the Russian Chemical Society. The periodic table is actually periodically revised. The International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry, IUPAC, is responsible for maintaining and updating the periodic table, in the case that any scientific discoveries call for changes. The most recent revision of the periodic table was published in December 2018. Hydrogen is the lightest element with its atomic weight 1, and that is why it can be found in the top left corner of the periodic table. Uranium is the heaviest element with an atomic weight of 238. The only two elements that are liquid in room temperature are mercury and bromine. Today, there are 118 confirmed elements in the periodic table. 90 of those elements are commonly found in nature, others are largely synthetically made. Technetium was the first element to be synthesized. It was first produced in 1937. Today there are 24 other elements that are primarily produced synthetically. Mendeleev's periodic table was designed in the order of increasing atomic weight. The modern periodic table was designed according to increasing atomic number. Four of the elements in the table were only recently named. On November 28, 2016, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry approved the name, and the elements were named nihonium, moscovium, tennessine, and oganesson. The majority of the elements are metals. Almost 75% of the periodic table is composed of metals. Some elements are named after famous scientists, planets, or mythological figures. Example: Einsteinium is named after Albert Einstein. Likewise, other elements named. Uranium was named shortly after the discovery of Uranus. The names of some elements come from mythology. For example, thorium is named after the Scandinavian god of thunder, Thor. Titanium, meanwhile, is named after the Greek Titans. Carbon is king of elements. Carbon atoms, from group 4, can form 4 covalent bonds with other elements and also with itself. Did you know that we are around 20% carbon, and that the majority of known compounds contain carbon? It is also the fourth most abundant element in the entire universe. And finally, the periodic table might not be able to extend to 137 elements. The physicist Richard Feynman predicted that, if it exists, we will never be able to observe the 137th element. That's partly because, theoretically, element 137's electrons would orbit at the speed of light. Hypothetically speaking, element 139's electrons would orbit faster than the speed of light, making it impossible given today's scientific knowledge. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, see you with next video. Bye bye.